Hey guys, Miner here. This is Minecraft episode 3. Don't know what I'm gonna do in this episode, but I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do in this episode. Not really sure. Frick. Oh yeah, I guess I can show you this. Well, off cam, I've been doing a ton of stuff. As you see here, I actually found more diamonds because, yep, I found 4 more diamonds in the process. The book was easier to find because I found that, thing, the village earlier, so it's fine. But, you know, I got a lot more progress done and got myself a diamond pick. I found some lapis while I was mining too, so whatever. But today I'm going to be well, what you would expect. I'm actually gonna keep that in there. I am going out and I'm gonna go mining. So what's gonna happen is I've also done this. Don't want to run into a creeper, but I've also done the staircase and the sidewalk and stuff. So that's that. So I guess I'm gonna pause the recording already, I know, right? But I'm gonna pause the recording right now and wait till I get somewhere nice and get mining, okay? One sec, guys. Okay, guys, I couldn't find the cave, so brand new one. Heck yeah. Found a new one. I don't think it's big enough. Creepers! Kill it, 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 kill it. Alright, that's a spider. I can deal with spiders. Dang it, I thought I could kill that. Okay. No, it's fortune that gives you... Dang it. I spent like a 7 enchant on this, which makes me really mad. Kill it, kill it. Okay. Oh, that's it? Uh-oh. My thing is low, so I'm gonna pause the recording for a second, okay, guys? Hold up. Okay, I'm back, guys. Sorry. Iron, yay. Whatever. It's not like I don't have enough of this. I need diamonds. I legit need diamonds, like a ton of diamonds right now. Screw it, I'm flying. More iron. More skeletons. Tired of skeletons. Fudge. Alright, so this is just an iron run then. Ooh, a lot of iron. I know a lot of you don't like watching people mine, cause like it's a very boring thing to watch. See, just all you do is mine and check for stuff. More? Like I didn't already expect it. And some coal. I'm actually starting to get low on coal, so I like this. I'm starting to get low on coal, so I like this. Is that it? That's it. Just gonna fly out of here instead. Dang it! Do you even know how much iron I got right now? Like, what the frick? Okay, okay. It's like, I was looking for iron a lot earlier, and I couldn't find any. But now I'm finding, like, a crap ton. What the heck? This is bull. This is absolute bull crap. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna scoot you back. Zoom you back in. Alright. It's not like I totally didn't find enough frickin' iron. Whatever. There. Look at this. Look at how much iron I got already. I know, I've never had this much iron in my life. But, you know, it's savage. It's savage, though. No. Oh, yeah. Why do I have classic crafting off? That's stupid. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna be back in a sec. I don't know what else to do, guys. Honestly. I have no idea what else to do right now. Watch grass grow? No, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat. Click. Click. Chum, 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 chum. Yeah, mutton fills up 4 hunger bars. Fill up 4 hunger bars, okay? Remember that. Ah, fudge. I don't know what to do now, because, like, that's all I can do right now. I can't believe I just freaking died. Oh, what? I'm on the edge of the world? I did not know this. 1 second again. Settings, user inference. HUD size 1. There we go. Dang. I'm legit on the edge of the world. Well, time to fix that. Since I can fly. I'll be back in a sec, guys. Okay, so this is my world. So we got some ice. Alright, here. You got some ice up here. This is a taiga biome. We got desert. Here's some plains, more desert, a jungle biome, plains, more desert, jungle. Here we have a mushroom biome, which really makes me happy, because I haven't found one of those in such a long time. Here we have a bunch of jungle. Here's some desert, the taiga biome, as I said earlier. Then my house, right here, in the freaking corner of the world. Yeah, and apparently my coordinates are this. X equals 375, Y equals 708, Z equals 388. Those are my coordinates. Yeah. Apps filled in now, I guess. And while I was gone, all this melted. Hooray. And now I'm back up to 12 levels. Might as well enchant my diamond pick. Really? Yep. I need some bookcases. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the village. Okay. One more sec. Okay, so without a silk touch pickaxe, I now have 7. I now have 7 bookshelves. And I will now go home. And I will now go home and do something. Please don't show your...
What are you doing?
Playing Minecraft, making a video. I have a YouTube channel now.
My hand is in your video.
Shut up. Go away, please. That was one of my brothers. He's stupid. Extremely stupid. I'm gonna pause the video, and when I come back, I will show you what I have done. This doesn't work. Back to the basics. Okay, so now I have 3 enchanted books. Efficiency, protection, and protection. I need to make an anvil. Ouch. And I can do that. How many? You're gonna watch me make an anvil. Not this way, though. Because I know how to do it like this. I know how to do it in classic crafting. Yeah, buddy. I think it goes like this. Yeah, buddy. Boy. Heck yeah. I'm gonna sleep first. Nope. Yay. Yay. What the? Oh yeah, it breaks after a while, doesn't it? I guess I can put efficiency on this. Yeah, like the texture breaks down. I never knew that. That's kind of cool. But,